Hello and welcome to the Programmity. In the last video tutorial, we have already designed this layout player activity, and in this video tutorial, we will play audio files from our phone memory. So, first of all, we have to go to the player activity Java file. Here we have to initialize all the views that we have used in our player activity, that means text views and floating action view and seek bars. Now text view, song name, artist name, duration played and duration total. Now you can see that we have already declared all the views. Now we will initialize these views using find view id. Let's create a method init view and alt enter in our method song name equals find view by id r.id.song name. The id song name is in our layout files. This is the id. Using this procedure we will initialize all the views. Now close this. Okay, now when we click on any of the songs in songs fragment, we have to play in player activities. For this we have to put extra as position intent.put extra, and in player activity we will take this intent put extra in get intent method. Now first of all we will declare a position variable which is of integer type and give a default value of -1. Now in get intent method we will get the position from music adapter. Copy this position name and paste it here in name and pass its default value -1. Get it. Now also we have to declare an array list of our music files. Let's say list of songs and slice this. Let's create it static so that we can use it when we go back from the player activity. List of songs equals this static variable will be imported from music main activity and assign it to list of songs. If list of songs is not equal to null, now we will set image resource for our play pause button using r.drawable.ic pause. Now create a static URI and here URI equals URI.parse list of songs dot get position dot get path. Now go outside of this block and first of all we will create a static media player object media player, and after this if block we will check if media player is not equal to null. Then we will first stop the media player and release all the resources, and after this if list of songs is not equal to null then remove this because we don't require this. So media player equals media player dot create get application constant and the other parameter will be URI and last media player dot start, so our audio will be playing. Now in else block where media player is not playing, we will only create the instance of media player using media player dot create, and after that we will start. So actually audio was playing, but in recording it is not, due to the reason that I forgot to volume up in the recording, it will work for you. So now for seek bar, we will set max to it using MediaPlayer.getDuration and divide it by 1000 so that we can take it as seconds parameter, since getDuration gives in milliseconds. Now close this, and in onCreate method we will use seekbar.set on seekbar change listener and new seekbar change listener, and in on progress changed, if media player is not equal to null and it is from user, then media player dot seek to progress in 2000. Now let's run the app again and see if seek bar changing is working or not. Let's click on any of the songs. In my case, you can't hear the songs. Now into onCreate method, player activity.This run on UI thread, new runnable, and in run method, if media player is not equal to null, then we will get the current position of seek bar. Int m current position equals media player dot get current position divided by 1000 to get in seconds. Seek bar dot set progress m current position, and we will set that text for duration played using a function we will call formatted text and pass the parameter m current position. First of all, change this return type int into string, and string total equals total out and total new seconds equals string dot value of m current position remainder 60, and minutes equals string dot value of m current position divided by 60. Total out equals minutes colon seconds, and total new equals minutes colon plus 0 plus, when the seconds length will be 1, we will add an extra 0 before it. That's why we are using total new, return total new, else return total out. Now creating a handler object for posting some delays in our run on UI thread. After this if block, we will use handler.post delay in this, and 1000 for that means 1 second. Let's run the app again. Now you can see seek bar and duration played is changing. That's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.